to show you these glazed pots that I received from the company. I love springtime and I can put some plants outside, or we do have some house plants inside that we like to have around. So these are I just wanted to give you an up close look. It does have like an indent to them, and the glaze is like a gloss, and then on the star type of pattern is like a different color, like a cream, and then these little dots do kind of stick out a bit. So here's the larger pot, and then here's the smaller pot. So I think this is a great value. You get 2 of these for in the package. You can see they are glazed, so which is really pretty. They're ceramic and then they are glazed. You could see the difference, like the unglazed part on the inside, like the earthenware. And then it does come with these trays for the bottom. Everything was packaged really nice. Nothing came broken. So that's always, you know, really big positive. So that's how it looks. And then you get this like net for the bottom as well as a stopper for the bottom. So if you want to have that, it comes with it all. I wanted to give you a close look. So without the plate on the bottom, let's say this is how big. So, you know, it's not that big, but it's like big enough for sure to have, you know, a pretty plant coming out. I don't think, you know, it's not huge, but I think that they are really nice sizes. This would be absolutely perfect in our kitchen for like an herb garden. You could probably fit like, you know, 1 or 2, or just like the basil, because the basil kind of takes up a ton, and then maybe rosemary in here. Lots that you could do, but I just wanted to give you an up close look of how pretty they are and the detail I love. So definitely pick these up if you need some new ceramic pots.